Well, hello everyone. Ashanti Titus here with Profit Mo Financial Services. And on this channel, we talk about how to make money, how to invest money, and how to save taxes on all of it. And on this particular episode, we are actually on Tuesday, so this is going to be Tax Tip Tuesday. I want to show you, if you have a question in relation to being a business owner, how much money am I going to have to be paying in taxes? It's a very simple thing that you should do at the beginning of the year. You can also kind of figure out a roundabout estimate, ballpark estimate of what you're going to be owing. So essentially, you're going to look on the IRS website and you're going to take a look at some of the estimated taxes based off of your adjusted gross income. And another thing you're going to do is also look at your standard deduction. So if you are head of household essentially is an individual. There's only one person that is not married that is taking care of either elderly, disabled individuals or children. Okay, so your head of household, if that fits you. Then there's also married filing jointly, and then there's single and married filing separately, which is in the same category. So you are going to take the gross amount that you made for the year, subtract the deduction, and then you're going to find it on the table to figure out what your federal obligation is for the year. Okay, so I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to give an example of, let's say we have a couple that collectively they made $50,000 for the year and they're married filing jointly. Okay, so we're going to go on over to the IRS website. You're going to be able to essentially do the same thing. And as we can see, the married filing jointly, so this is for 2021, is going to be $25,100, okay? And this is straight up on the IRS website. So I know that, let's say if I made $50,000 for the year, I'm going to subtract the $25,100 from that, and that's going to give me $24,900. This is the number that I'm going to be looking for. This is the adjusted gross income when you're using a standard deduction. I'm going to find this number on the tax table, okay? So right now I'm at the tax table, and I'm looking for the number $24,900. All right, most people think that, they owe the whole, they look for the $50,000, and in actuality, they need to subtract their standard deduction or their itemized deduction. So in this case, we use the standard. So once again, it was $24,900. Let me make sure. Okay, so $24,900 right there. And it's going to be married filing jointly. So right here in the second column. So the tax obligation for someone who had a gross of $50,000 that was married filing jointly is $2,593. Okay, so that is an example on how to find that information. So I can do another example. If you are, let's say you made $100,000 for the year and you married filing jointly. So let's go back. So it's just going to be the 100,000 minus the 25,100. So now we're going to be looking at the 74,900. This is an individual with no type of business or anything like that, straight up W-2. So we're going to scroll all the way down. All right, a little bit to the 74,900. So right here, 74,900, the second column is married filing jointly. So the tax obligation will be $8,593 would be the tax obligation. Okay, so pretty much that is what it looks like as far as getting yourself an estimate on what you would owe for taxes. You can also do this, let's say if you know what your take-home pay was for the year, you can definitely do that as far as being a business owner and do that little exercise. So essentially understand where you fall as far as standard deductions and then what your gross amount is. And then you can simply look at it on the table, and that's going to give you, your tax obligation for the year. All right, so hopefully you found this video helpful to you. And if you have, please give this video a like and a thumbs up. And if you're actually looking to start your own business, you can definitely check out my new class. The promo code for my class is going to be end of year. It's going to slash off from $97 all the way down to $29. So we're going to have this promotion going on for the end of the year to get, you guys in gear for those who are looking to start their own business. All right. So check that out in the link below. And I also have the link to these tables and these IRS helpful tools. All right. Until next time, stay profitable and stay great. Bye.